Let's take a look in this video at resizing our chart as well as moving our chart. When it comes to resizing, if you've ever resized a picture in Microsoft Word or PowerPoint, then you already know how to do this. This is fairly straightforward to do. One, obviously, you need to make sure you've clicked on your chart, and then you see these resizing bubbles right here. That's all you're doing. You're just clicking on it and you're dragging them and you're moving them. And that allows you to resize them. It's just that simple. It's the resizing circles. You just grab them, click them, drag them, and that's pretty much it. So that's resizing. Moving is also pretty similar to how you've done moving stuff before. Again, if you've done moving in Word or PowerPoint, then you know how to move your chart. So you just grab it and you drag it and you drag it and you drag it, and that's moving it around. There is, however, one little difference, and that is if you want to move your chart to a new worksheet, that does require a little bit more of a tweak. So what you want to do to move it to a new worksheet is, one, again, make sure you've selected the chart. Go to your chart tools, go to design, and over here you have this little button, handy dandy button called Move Chart. Guess what the Move Chart button does? It moves the chart. So I'm going to click on it and I'm given an option. I can either move it to another worksheet as an object in another worksheet, or I can create a brand new worksheet. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to make a new worksheet out of it. I'm going to click New Sheet and we'll give it a name. We'll call it New Page. I'm going to click OK. And now, just like we did before when you hit F11 to make a new chart, this moved the chart to a brand new page. It's a chart all on its own, a brand new page. You can see the name of the page of the worksheet down here. It's called New Page. And that's pretty much it. That's how we moved the chart.